Mans, how you doing today? Pretty lady. Are you having a good day? Hi, Manny. She's a pretty girl. There's Miss Maggie. Hi, Max. How you doing? Hi, pretty girl. Are you smiling? Oh, is that a yawn? So cute. Hi, lady. How you doing? Look at her smiling.
Where's he at?
Pretty
There
girl. Hey, girls. What are you doing? They're so cute. Oh, Meg says I'm going up. Meg's going up, 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 up. There she goes. Not to the top. She's only to the middle now. There she goes. She says, I gotta get up to my high point. Yep. Says, I gotta get up there and see what's going on. What is happening? She says.